All right, let's simplify these expressions that we've got. So in part A, we've got the square root of 9a cubed plus the square root of a. So square root of a, we really can't do anything here, but with 9 and a cubed, let's prime factor those. So for 9, of course, we have 3 times 3. A cubed, we've got a squared times a, and I'm going to write it like that for a reason, because here we've got plus a, right? So let's try to take out the 3 times 3 and the a squared out of the radical. So 3 times 3, the square root is just 3. A squared root is just a. So we got 3a squared of a, and now we've got plus square root of a. So what we're going to get is, if we factor our square root of a out, we get square root of a times 3a plus